There's no way I just ran a 12.8 though. Really? Yeah.
Previously on Does Cars. Who's done this to you? Why?
That's me, 15.84, and I was brake torquing it. It wouldn't hold it. I was just freaking sliding through. It's a lucky I didn't red light. I just about freaking red lit. So, good mile an hour. That pass should have been faster. It should have been a lot faster. About to find out. Holy shit.
Fog right on the launch.
Dude.
Yo, that's good though.
52, bro. For the 9-second 8th mile.
I'm gonna pull up, pop the hood.
For sure.
I'm already off. Pop the hood now.
Bro, that's
That was
fucking
good.
dope.
Good. What was the race?
9.7, bro. Hold up, I got time slips from last week. This is my best time from last week. Was 15.72. My 8th was 10.1. So I just, bro, that's crazy. 2.2.
So your eighth was worse, but you trapped better.
My 8th was 9.7 tonight.
Oh yeah, your eighth was
10.1 last week.
Fuck. What'd you do since then?
Nothing. This was my best pass from 2 Wednesdays ago.
Yo, it's chilly tonight though. It's
It
boost weather.
is, bro. Yeah.
Trapped
Honestly,
89
well, on
miles
top
an
of
hour.
that too.
Yo, that was good,
that
dude.
was dope, bro. I'm fucking stoked. Yo, man, last pass of the night. It's 11 o'clock. We got a car burst into flames. That's the biggest problem, dude. Craziest thing I ever seen, probably up here. Boy, it just went up, dude. That poor guy, dude. His car is probably trashed. But finally just got us moving again, man. And I was right at the front of the line, so my car is nice and cool still. That's kind of a problem. The trans isn't quite hot enough, so I'm hoping it ships okay, but But, so sitting there on the brake boost, man, I just saw 5 PSI actually. So it does have some boost on launch, man. That's freaking crazy. I never knew that. Hopefully that's fast. That 3 and 4 shift, that was not good. That lost me a lot of time right there. I bet you this is like a 15.3 or 15.4. I got my 15.2 for the night though, dude. So I can't be upset with him. I really can't. I had a really good pass there. So I gotcha. There's no way I just ran a 12.8 though. Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
What time is this? 10:55? Yeah. Huh. Yeah, it's all good, man. I got a 15.2 from earlier. I'm happy. Thank you, dude. Well, that's a bummer. That was a hell of a night. I'll say that much for sure. There was a whole lot of people there, way more than I've seen it at any other Wednesday tested tune, for sure. They just kind of threw this one together for Saturday, and I think a lot more people were able to get off work, you know, all that kind of stuff. So there was a lot of people. I only got 3 passes tonight, and my last pass here, they had a misprint, and they're trying to say I just went 12.8 at 104 mile an hour, and I just don't think that that's possible. I mean, I'd like to say that it is, but to go from a 15.2 to a 12.8 is just not feasible. So, yeah, unfortunately, I don't know what my last pass just ran. I don't think it was faster, like I just said, though. You know, I think it was a 15.4 probably. It's a bummer. I wish I knew how fast that was, because if it was a 15.1, dude, like that, you know, it's all good. I'll be back again on Wednesday. And probably flush the trans again. Maybe, because it's that was hard on it, just those last 2. Man, I just think it wasn't hot enough, dude. You know, sitting there as long as I did, the trans needs at least a little bit of temperature in it, you know, because the way these transmissions work is when the fluid gets up to temperature, that's when the transmission's full. So if the fluid is cold, right, it's basically like I've underfilled it, you know. So that's why it's so important not to overfill this trans as well, is that if you overfill it, it overheats, and basically it's like it's double overfilled when it gets hot. And that could be as much as a half a quart, really, you know. So I'll take a look at it, you know. One of these days I'd like to pull the trans out and inspect it. So, yeah. But, thanks for watching. And, you know, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Don't forget I got merch. It's down in the description. I'm not very good at this, you know, I'm still very new. So, you know, if you guys, you know, notice that I'm doing something that, or there's a better way that I could do something and you know, have ideas, you know, hey, throw them in the comments. I don't mind, you know. If I don't like it, I'm not going to tell you I hate you, you know, I'm just going to not do it. So, catch you cats on the flip-flop. Later. Is that a good catchphrase? I don't think it's a bad catchphrase. You guys ever seen School of Rock? That was like my favorite movie when I was like in middle school, you know? I joined bands. Like I started playing in bands because of that movie. I wanted to be in a punk rock band. So, yeah. I'm gonna stick with it just because I like that movie. So I'll catch you cats on the flip-flop. Later.